Alright guys, here's an explanation of how the new Deutsche Bahn machines work. So here you can see which line takes you to where. See, pretty simple. Then this can also show you where you are. This is where you are, Kassangat. But there's also U-Bahn. This is the U-Bahn next. There's also the Regio. Now look at all of those. And then we have here, it says from where to go. From München Kassangatzen to like Hauptbahnhof, Ostbahnhof, or you Freising, or whatever station. Angebote, and here are Angebote. Here you can also have like arrows. I don't know what these for. But here you can pay. You can do it with your card, or you can also pay with coins. This is for people who can't see, blind people. Down there you can also put the euro banknotes. And here comes your ticket. Ah, wait, actually from here comes the ticket. Oopsies. And if you see up here, wait for it. This is the wrong thing. Up there are departures, but right now I think there's like an ad. Yeah, it's ads. They're ads. Yep, they're ads. Anyways, guys, goodbye and happy traveling.